The atmosphere is one of a graveyard, where the ghost of a technological giant lies defeated, not by a superior gun, but by the total collapse of the empire that built it. The camera captures the sunlight, finally reaching the bottom of the deep shafts as the Allied engineers prepare to seal the tunnels forever, ensuring that this particular nightmare can never be revived. The war is moving toward Berlin, but the discovery of the V3 serves as a chilling reminder of how close the world came to a new era of unstoppable bombardment, and the scene ends with the heavy thud of a steel door closing on the secrets of the high-pressure pump. After the fires of the Second World War are finally extinguished, the quiet hills of northern France and the secret laboratories of Germany become the focus of intense scientific scrutiny by the victorious powers. Teams of British and American military engineers, alongside intelligence officers from the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, descend upon the ruins of Mimo-X and the testing grounds at Hillersleben. They are not there to destroy, but to learn. Because the concept of the multi-chambered gun, despite its failure as a weapon, represents a fascinating leap in the understanding of high-velocity ballistics. The camera follows the investigators as they climb through the rubble of the underground shafts, measuring the exact distances between the side chambers and taking samples of the specialized steel alloys that August Condors had developed. We see the confusion on the faces of the Allied experts as they realize the complexity of the electrical ignition systems, which were decades ahead of their time in terms of theoretical timing. The scientists begin to question the German engineers who were captured during the advance, including those who worked directly under Condors, to understand how they planned to solve the problems of gas sealing and projectile stability.
During these interrogations, it becomes clear that while the V3 was a tactical failure, the data gathered during the test firings contains valuable information about how objects behave at supersonic speeds within a controlled environment. The Americans in particular are interested in the potential of using multi-stage propulsion for non-military purposes, such as launching satellites or atmospheric probes into space, a dream that would later influence the work of ballistics experts like Gerald Bohl. The scene captures a transition from the darkness of war to the early whispers of the space race, as the technology of mass destruction is dismantled and repurposed for the pursuit of knowledge.